Hello everyone. Today we will be learning about debouncing in JavaScript. So before dive into code, let us just know that discuss about the definition of the debouncing. So debouncing is a programming practice used to ensure that time-consuming tasks do not fire so often that it stalls the performance of the web page. So we use debouncing to limit the numbers of fires of time-consuming tasks. So to make our web page more stable. Now let's start coding. Here I just have created a simple boilerplate and add in an input tag, give it an ID input, and also added my JavaScript file here. So now let's start writing some functions. I will be writing arrow function for this purpose, or I can write all the function. I will give it a file name, and here I will give it another function or and pass third functions into that one as a callback function. Okay, here now let's just create our debounce function debounce, give it an function like name callback function, and here it's created. Now let's create our final function save input. Function save input, it's been created also, it also been created. And now let's just get the value of that one. Input document dot get element by id, and here we will pass the id as input. Now our all the functions have been created. Let's write our code for debouncing. Here we will take a variable as timer, and below that we will return a function that will first of all have clear timeout for our timer, and then we will provide a value a set timeout. We will initialize a set timeout to our timer. It will take a callback function, and it will take a delay, like it can take delay of 500 milliseconds. We will give it a delay of 500 milliseconds, and here we will call our callback function. Now let's just okay, so spelling mistake here, that's why it is showing three dots. Now after every 500 milliseconds, our save input function will be called. So here let's just console the value of our save input console.log, and we will be consoling the value of our input dot value. After, so let's just call the function on key up in our index HTML page. On key up, okay, on key up process chain, and here I think we have done. I also have started my live server at Chrome. So here we have got an input box, and let us just refresh it once. Okay, so I will writing let boot. See, it will print everything after 500 millisecond in tech. So that is a simple example of debouncing. That's all for today. Thank you.